Hello guys. In this video we will learn how to install WP Rocket plugin. Who doesn't know what is WP Rocket plugin? There is a link below to learn more about WP Rocket. Installing and setting up WP Rocket is pretty straightforward. After buying WP Rocket, you need to download the zip file and upload it through WordPress. First go to plugins. Then click Add New. Click Upload plugin. Then drag and drop the file you downloaded. And click Install Now. Click Active plugin. And we are done. We will talk more about this amazing caching plugin in next video. And I will show you how to set up it step by step. If you find this video helpful, please support me with a subscribe and a like. And thanks for watching.